Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a decorate and plan with me. I need to do all of my planning for the month of January, almost said July, definitely January. Happy New Year to everybody, and New Year's Day is also Austin's birthday. So we are going to be cleaning and redecorating his room. He is doing it the theme of Minecraft. So him and Kevin are on the way home right now from the Celtics game. So I just got home from work, so I need to get my butt going and get all of this done so we can surprise him when he gets home. So I'm going to grab my tripod and get started. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe. I do tons of like cleaning, organizing, motherhood type of videos. So if that is what you like, I hope you consider subscribing. So I'm like out of breath because I'm going a mile a minute, but I also am going to do a little bit of toy organization downstairs. That will be in this video as well. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get going.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
Alright, so the shelves I got did not work and the lamp did not work. So I'm kind of at a standstill, but I'll show you where we are. So I'm gonna do, I sent Kevin out to go get the things that we need. So it's not anywhere near done, but I can show you a little where we are right now. So here's his bed. I love it. I think it's so cute. Obviously, like, the things will be neatened up once I get everything else put up. There's one of the Minecraft posters. Kevin went to go get the shelves. The shelves are gonna go here. And then we've got another Minecraft poster there. And then I have the curtains in the dryer just to like freshen up and get all the wrinkles out. And then I have like these all the things that are gonna go on his shelf. So I gotta put batteries in this. Try to see what it takes. No. I don't know. We'll figure that out. But 2 AA's. So that's gonna go up there. We got him an Alexa for his room. We got that. He's got another Minecraft thing downstairs. I might put like a couple of books up there. Maybe some Legos. You know, we'll just kind of decorate it. But I think it's gonna look super cute. But the room's kind of torn apart and I got him that little thing, which is just gonna go right there. It's like a little footrest thing. But now, while we wait for Kevin, I'm going to go get that and pick up some pizza. Then I am going to, whoops! Hi, I'll go this way. Layton's getting ready to get in the shower. So I am backing up down the, we're good. I am going to get this calendar done and get us all set up for January and make good use of my time because that's something I need to work on in 2022. I don't even know what year it is anymore.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Alright, so this is our January calendar. If you are new here, this is what we do. We have like the family calendar, like I put CCD, Layton's acro, gymnastics. Austin's starting a lacrosse clinic. He's also starting a baseball clinic. So he's got basketball games. The weekends, like the end of the week, tend to be busier for us aside from CCD. But like when I know we actually have nothing planned right now in January on any weekend, on any Sunday, I should say. Saturdays, pretty busy. But nothing on Sundays, which I love. So as things go in, if we have doctor's appointments, all that stuff, they get added to this calendar. But this is what we have as of now that is like a definite that we know of. So this just goes up here in the kitchen so that way everyone knows. And then I have another planner myself that I put my own stuff on. Just so like work stuff, YouTube stuff, all that kind of stuff, things. So that is the calendar for January.
Couldn't look away. Somehow you turned my life completely upside down. And since you've been gone, there's no peace of mind. A foolish perfume that I still can send. But every time I think these scars are about to mend. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. Nobody got the magic touch. How you make my heart rush? Why is that so hard to find? Nothing better than your kiss, something that I can't resist. Can't forget the nights you were mine. Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no. Still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. And no matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No, no, no.
And we're done. The lights, if you're in the camera, they like shake. All right, you want to call them up?
Austin! Come on up!
You call them like something, like you're mad at them.
I don't know. Oh, Leighton. You let him go first.
What do you think?
I love it.
Would you rather have white lights?
Wait.
Or
You
would
can-
you rather have green lights?
And look,
Or you can have red lights?
and there's a whole cave.
You can have blue.
Cave, mines. Can you put these on all night? Another.
Yeah, you can put them on a timer.
Yeah.
Wait,
Austin, look at your shelves up there. Look what's up there.
Don't be playing with those
You
shelves.
can't pull anything down from there though, okay?
I have to ask.
Yeah, I'll take care of the light and stuff,
It's an
but
Enderman stuffed animal, a creeper stuffed animal, a pig. Look at your snow globes. Wait, is this a beanbag?
yeah, it's like a rest. I figured you could put your chair,
Wait.
use it with your chair and put your feet on it.
Wait, I can just play video games like this.
There you go.
Yeah. And the curtains. Look at Austin. Look at Austin. There.
What do you think? Do you notice anything on your...
That's an Alexa. Because I have one in my room.
It's one Alexa for you.
Wait, can I try?
The closet's the same. Don't open it. It's a mess.
Put that over there.
Yeah, we can put it over there. Just left it over there for now.
Look at, I'm Austin playing video games.
Austin, your lights are done by remote control.
Wait.
So, hold on. So if you want, they're on white right now. So you hit that. If you want them to go auto, so they'll go through all the colors, you just hit this. And if one of them doesn't go, you just point the remote at it. So ready, watch.
Ready?
And they'll go, see how they're changing color?
What do you think?
I love it. Look at Austin playing video games.
And you can put them on a timer.